I remember the days, rapping over the bathroom sink, accepting speeches in the mirror, big dreams of a little kid, thinking my mom and God. I know it all came at a risk, I know it all came with a miss, but I stuck to the fuck. Hello?
Yeah, yo, what's good, G?
Yo, what's up, Brody?
Hey, yo, I'm laying down this track, but I need it back in like 24 hours, yeah?
Okay. Yeah. Send that through. Yeah, I'll have that for you later.
I appreciate it.
Nah, yeah, for sure. Nah, I appreciate you.
Alright, copy.
Alright, man, I'll talk to you later.
Here's a special technique.
What technique?
There's a souvenir for you, and one for you. I'll show you who I am and what I am. All right.
Like, this how I do it right. Summertime, 100 degrees, niggas be shooting right. Cops hit you if you left. Used to be a corner store, now it's just a CVS. See me stressed? Never that. Cleaning off the BBS. Shorty got a BBL, sniffing coke, I couldn't tell. This how I do it right. Son couldn't read it right. Busters gonna sleep at night. The streets never did him right. Like, he was 1 and 8, hard time, stomach aches. How much can a youngin' take? Trill to the undertake, bustin' down another eighth. Bitch, it's just another day. This how I do it right. Fast cars, look in the sky. You see the stars that was passed on. Smoking your eye, just put your mask on. Past what? How I'm the guy you ever passed on. Gassed up, no smack. That's a stack of two. Baby, I don't do the drugs. XRP computer love, vigilante, super thug. What? Huh? This how I do it right.
Crazy to know who I am.
This how I do it right.
Mamacita Chicana, she looking like Selena. Thick from eating all of the food made by Abuelita. She said, Poppy, what you cooking up that got them ego? For that type of info, you're gonna have to get a subpoena. Double checking, double booking, double guessing, double dutching. We never jump to any conclusions. It's an illusion. How you know what we refusing? See my brother die. Shit been a little bit confusing. Should I grip it or should I pay for the execution? But God has the last word for their retribution. I've been thinking about my next meal, I'm still hungry. And overall, I had to get it in my dungarees. I had 90s, baby, I've seen a tech young. Shit ain't new, it's just different where I'm from. Latinos speak vino, but never wine. $2 chinos when the money low, we getting by. You people got big egos for little guys.
That's how I do it right. That's how I do it right.
You don't know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing, all right. Come on, then all of you. Lock him up. All right, you fools. You brought it on yourselves.